Hello friends, in this video I will show you how I made a power bank for my old laptop. Before that, let me tell you why I decided to make this power bank. I have a 7 years old laptop. It still works but the battery is completely dead. It only runs on an AC adapter and I cannot do important work on it because if there is a power cut, it shuts down instantly and I lost everything I was working on. So I decided to build a power bank instead of buying a new battery since I did not want to spend too much money on such an old laptop. This power bank can be used from multiple purposes including running the laptop. My laptop runs on a 19-volt AC to DC power supply. First, I will make a 12-volt battery pack. I am using 6 3.7-volt lithium ion battery. They are labeled 3000 milliampere, but I tested them with a battery tester module and none of them gives more than 2000 milliampere. Here are some battery holder brackets and this is a 3 cell 20 ampere BMS circuit. My 12 volt battery pack is ready, but since the laptop needs 19 volt DC to run, I will use a DC to DC step up boost converter module. I have chosen this pencil box as the cabinet. The size is a little tight, but all the parts will fit. Here is a small power switch and a DC socket. This is a lithium battery power indicator module. With this, I can see how much charge is left in the power bank. But it needs a small setup. As you can see, here S1, S2, S3, S4, etc. S1 means a single cell setup. Since I am using a 3 cell 12 volt battery, I removed the jumper from S1 and connecting it to S3. This is the DC jack for the laptop output. You can see the wiring is complete. Here is the connection diagram. My laptop's original AC to DC adapter gives 19.46 volts. So now I am adjusting the output of the booster module to 19.46 volt using the onboard preset. For charging and running the laptop, I will use a 12 volt 5 ampere AC to DC adapter. My power bank is ready. Now it is time to test it. As you can see, it is running the laptop properly. The laptop still shows the internal battery is dead, but it keeps running even when I unplug the DC adapter. There are no noticeable performance drop while using the power bank. Another advantage is that I can charge the power bank separately with an AC to DC adapter when the laptop is not in use. I can also use it to power 12 volt lamps or fans in an emergency. And yes, this power bank can also be charged using a 12 volt solar panel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.